national resistance movement led by His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni. Thank you so much for being a good man. In the past regimes, that was not there. Anyone who opposed the government, you were either killed and things were not okay. In the last 500 years, Uganda was at war until when God gave us President Museveni and gave us peace. NRM oye! Museveni oye! Anita Mongo oye! Thank you so much for coming back. Go and spread the message of the president, the message about wealth creation, the message about commercial agriculture, the message about the 4-acre model. And that's what the president is talking about. He has fought many wars. Now the only war he is fighting is poverty. You heard his message. It was spot on. Now we are going to get ready for the anthems in reverse order. Let's all stand up for the anthems in reverse order. DJ.